Have you ever heard the saying, money is speed? Well, that saying holds very true when it comes to selling your home. Hi there, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. We all know that selling a home can be complex and sometimes a very stressful process. But there's one crucial thing to keep in mind for a successful sale, and that's the importance of speed in relationship to money. So exactly what does that mean? It means that the faster you can sell your home, the more likely you are to receive a fair price, avoid unnecessary expenses, and hopefully make a decent profit. Now, it's important to note that it doesn't mean selling your home too quickly in a market where bidding wars and multiple offers are common. If you sell your home within a day in that kind of market, then you're often leaving money on the table. I'm referring to the situation where your home stays on the market in a more balanced market climate. In such a market, the longer your home remains unsold, the more you'll end up paying for holding costs like property taxes, utilities, potential repairs, and maintenance. Additionally, the longer buyers and agents see a home listed, the more they may believe that they can come in and negotiate a much lower price. Obviously, these costs can eat into your profit and make it harder to achieve your financial goals. However, there are strategies to ensure that this doesn't happen. Setting a competitive price for your home is key. Being competitive in the real estate market means that more buyers are likely to make offers on homes that are priced attractively and potentially increasing your chances of receiving a multiple offer. Additionally, take care of necessary repairs up front. This is going to help you avoid extra expenses during negotiations. Lastly, it's crucial to work with an experienced and reliable agent who can guide you through the process effectively. Reach out to me and my team today, and we'll be happy to share our comprehensive marketing plan and digital strategy to help you sell your home quickly and efficiently, earning you the highest possible return on your investment. Remember, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. We love where we live, but we want you to love where you live too. So give us a call today.